extra pounds from packing on in all the places we don't like. Hey there, Tressey here, back talking about all things digestion, fat loss, and wellness. Stress. Wonderful stress. I was stressed to the high heavens. If stress triggers emotional eating, whoops, out the window goes my fat loss goals. Let me share with you. Oh, you're gonna love me. Let me share with you an easy, yummy, tasty way to lessen stress and keep those extra pounds from packing on in all the places we don't like. You are going to love me. Here we go. Come this time of the year, I find that most people are pumpkin obsessed. As a Black American, I did not eat pumpkin. Sweet potatoes, yes, mostly in pie form. Pumpkins, no. I went through a long period in my life where I was unable to sleep during the night. I was stressed to the high heavens about life, everything in life, money, kids, my life, my purpose. Shockingly, I discovered that eating pumpkin during the latter part of the day helped me to rest, stress less, and sleep well throughout the night. Pumpkins are loaded with fiber. It keeps us full longer. You get to say goodbye to nighttime overeating. It's low in fat, low in calories. The fiber in pumpkins helps to stabilize our blood sugar, elevate our mood, and it reduces stress. It won't ruin your fat loss goals. If you find yourself stress eating, you want to have this drink for all the reasons I just mentioned. More so, it tastes, oh my, amazing. Guilt-free amazing. That's the best kind. Starbucks has a pumpkin latte drink that, it is so good to the taste buds. But hold up, when it comes to fat loss goals, it's a no. It's not healthy or conducive for our fat loss goals, nor for our digestion. Too many chemicals, too much questionable things inside of them. Today, it is time for us to get pumpkin obsessed the healthy way with 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 100% pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. Pumpkin puree, 100%. That is all the ingredient list should read is 100% pumpkin. 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. If you do not have pumpkin spice, put together ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. That's what pumpkin spice is, a combination of all of those wonderful spices. Then you need 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of sugar or maple syrup. Let's err on the side of the 1/2. Go smaller when it comes to the sugars. 1 cup of non-dairy milk. This is what will help it to stay healthy for our digestion and keep us on our fat loss goals. 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Over medium heat, take 2 tablespoons of pumpkin. Add that to the saucepan along with the pumpkin spice. Use a spatula to mix and combine everything. Let that cook for about a good 30 seconds to a minute. You can hear it starting to sizzle now. Next, you want to add in your sweetener of choice. Remember, try to go for the lesser amount of sweetener versus the higher amount that the recipe does allow for. Mix and combine everything. Slowly add in your milk. Also your vanilla. Combine and then cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If you could be in my kitchen right now, ooh, the smell makes me want to smile. You could add 1/4 cup regular coffee, decaf coffee, or black tea to this, and it would have more of that authentic Starbucks flavor. Tell me, do you prefer drinks with or without caffeine? Type that in the comment section below. Eating pumpkin during the fall and winter season can help our bodies respond to stress better, help us sleep better, and keep us on track with our weight loss goals. For more highly recommended foods to eat during this season that will help us stay on track with our weight loss goals, watch the Up Next video. I will also put a link for it down in the description box below. Be empowered to make your health a priority because health starts within. To see you every single week. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's jump right into how